Hello dear traders, welcome back to InstaTV. You're watching financial news with me, Anna Kasatkina. Friday's data from Baker Hughes gave a good hint to oil traders on what price could catch the interest of American oil producers so they would step up their drilling activity. For the first time in 11 weeks, experts from Baker Hughes, one of the world's largest oil field services companies, reported a rise in the number of drilling rigs currently operating in the United States. The latest figures suggest that the number of drilling rigs increased by 4 units during the past week to reach a total of 408 rigs. The report also showed that 9 more oil rigs were put into operation last week, bringing the overall number from 316 to 325 oil drilling rigs. At the same time, the number of gas rigs continues to decline. During the previous week, WTI light sweet crude oil was testing the psychological barrier of $50 a barrel. Apparently, the price approaching these levels prompted oil producers to ramp up their drilling activity. In the new trading week, black gold is expected to resume making attempts to break above the $50 threshold. There are several reasons why that may happen, the primary one being the weaker US dollar. Besides, increasingly more experts say that the balance of supply and demand for this crucial energy source will soon be restored. Chairman of the Abu Dhabi Department of Economic Development, Al Mansouri, said that oil prices have every chance to reach the mark of $60 a barrel this year. Crude oil was also propped up by reported disruptions to supplies from Nigeria due to the recent military attacks on the country's oil and gas infrastructure. This news environment allowed the buyers of commodity currencies to return to the market. The Russian ruble extended gains versus its US counterpart. The pair was trading around 65.60 levels in today's deals on the Moscow exchange. Nevertheless, speculators trading the Russian currency are now waiting for the right moment to go long the dollar-ruble pair. A regular policy meeting by the Russian central bank is scheduled for this Friday. The slowdown in consumer price growth favors a cut in interest rates. If the regulator decides to loosen its monetary policy stance, this would drive the foreign exchange rate of the Russian ruble somewhat lower. This was daily financial news on InstaTV. Thank you and goodbye.